Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys. At kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, share, and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload na mga videos na mayroong magandang kasaysayan at halaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Guys, ito yung ating coins ngayon guys, ang Asian 50 Chairmanship Coins of the Philippines, ang 1 piso Jose Rizal, mayroon taon na 2017 commemorative coins. Ito guys, i-share ko sa inyo guys ang napakagandang impormasyon tungkol dito sa baryang ito guys, dahil napakataas din ang kanyang value dito sa ating selling online. The 2017 Asian 50 Chairmanship 1 piso coins of the Philippines. Coins are more than just currency. They tell stories of history, culture, and international relations. Today, let's take a closer look at a special commemorative 1 piso coin issued by the Philippines in 2017 to celebrate its chairmanship of the Association of the Southeast Asian Nations or ASEANs. In 2017, the Philippines had the honor of chairing ASEAN, an intergovernmental organization that foster economic, political, and security cooperation among its 10 member states. This chairmanship was extra special as it marked ASEAN 50th anniversary, making it a golden year for the region. To commemorate this milestone, the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas or BSP released a special 1 piso coin celebrating both the Philippines' leadership and ASEAN's 5 decades of unity. The 2017 Asian 50 Chairmanship 1 piso coin has a unique design that sets it apart from the regular 1 piso coin in circulation. On the obverse, we see the familiar portrait of Jose Rizal, the national hero of the Philippines, along with the words Republika ng Pilipinas and the coin denomination 1 piso. But what makes this coin special is the reverse side. It features the official Asian emblem with the numbers 50 placed beside it, symbolizing Asian 50th anniversary. Below, we see the words Philippines Chairmanship and the year 2017. The design reflects the Philippines' commitment to regional cooperation and leadership. This commemorative coin was not just for collectors, it was also widely circulated, meaning many Filipinos had the chance to hold a piece of history in their hands. Today, this 1 piso coin is sought after by numismatists and history enthusiasts. While it still holds a face value of 1 peso, its collectible value may increase over time, especially in uncirculated or mint condition. Beyond its monetary value, this coin serves as a reminder of the Philippines' role in ASEAN and importance of unity among Southeast Asian nations. It symbolizes cooperation, progress, and shared aspirations for a better future. So next time you come across this special 1 piso coin, take a moment to appreciate its historical significance. It's not just loose change, it's a testament to 50 years of ASEAN and the Philippines' leadership in the region. So itong ating coins guys ay mayroong ginawang 10 million kapiraso At mayroon siyang price na 71 pesos ang kanyang extra fine. At ganun din ang kanyang about uncirculated, 71 pesos. Sa uncirculated naman ay 110 pesos. At ito sa EB guys, mayroon naka-display doon nating EB Selling Online na 4,349 pesos, 0.18 centavos. So, yung mga presyo na ganun kay kataas ay mayroon niyang mga error, kaya napakataas ang bintahan kapag mayroong error. So yan guys ang nakuha nating mga impormasyon tungkol dito sa baryang ito guys ng Pilipinas, ang commemorative coins. Maraming salamat guys sa panonood at God bless sa ating lahat.